Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check TikTok notification settings. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So TikTok lets you easily customize notifications within the app. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to your TikTok profile tab and click on those three lines icon in the top right corner of the screen. And now select the last option called Settings and Privacy. After that, hit the notifications option and now you can turn on or off different notifications options. That's it. So thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.